Hi, M5920. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. Thank you for the good opportunity for the introduce myself. My name is Marilyn Maranan, 44 years old. I live in Dilabi, Laguna. I have three kids, two boy and one girl. The ages is 26, the age 26, 17, and 14.
Okay. Your civil status,
Married.
your religion,
Catholic.
and your highest educational attainment.
High school graduate.
Okay. Tell me about your experiences as a helper.
I'm working in the Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper. I take care the 70 years old and the adult is 50 and 45, 35 and 30. Uh,
Okay.
I'm the responsibility duties, washing clothes, ironing, and cooking.
Okay. Then you also have another experience also here in the Philippines, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me about your experience as a helper here.
Housekeeping. I take care the family Salvador.
Okay.
Uh, take care uh, the babies.
Okay. And other
And
household chores that you do?
then,
Other household chores that you do?
yeah, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, and washing the,
Okay. So you are car washing also, right?
yes,
How many car do you car wash?
two,
Okay, and you also taking care of pets.
two dogs.
Okay. Since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, but it is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes.
Okay, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby.
Uh, pre-
It is okay. Do you know how to prepare a milk for a
prepare
newborn?
with milk
Okay.
and
Do you know how?
yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Check the temperature and the hungry and the diapers. Check the diapers.
And if the baby doesn't stop to cry, what will you do?
Calling the mother and father. Uh, as no the baby was crying. Stop crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I like work the Hong Kong because the Hong Kong is beauty country and high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I finished the finish contract.
Okay, but it is okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes.
Okay. Um, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Uh, no.
But it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, learn to YouTube.
Okay, and you could also buy some cookbooks so that you could learn, and also ask to your employer if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Dogs.
Okay, it is okay to you to take care of dogs.
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes.
Okay, my last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
For the future employer, please hire me. I'm working to the your country on your take care me your family and of course the future my family.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Marilyn.
Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Okay, thank you.